The 2 Tires Guide to the Pirelli Angel GT2. You might think Pirelli's Angel GT2 is a tire for big touring bikes, but it's one of the sportiest options you can fit. The dual compound tread on the rear is designed to give better mileage while also having stickier shoulders for improved edge grip. These aren't just for big tourers. We've run these on superbikes and they're arguably all you need on the road. The handling is comparable to a sports tire, plus they have a fast warm-up time and a wide operating window, meaning they're great performers, no matter what the conditions. In fact, these are probably a better bet than sports tires for most performance bike riders in the UK, as they don't need as much time to warm up. For big tourers like the Yamaha FJR, you can fit the stiffer fitment to help these bikes feel pinpoint even when fully loaded. So if you're the kind of rider who likes to head to Europe and stick to the A roads, these are well worth a look. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.